Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another Spanish lesson. Today we're going to go over los números del 160 al 169, or the numbers from 160 to 169. Remember to write the words as they're written here so that you can repeat it over and over again and pronounce after me. So the Spanish word for 160 is written like this, and it's pronounced ciento sesenta. Ciento sesenta. Ciento sesenta. Let's go to 161. It's written like this in Spanish. And it's pronounced ciento sesenta y uno. Ciento sesenta y uno. Ciento sesenta y uno. Alright, let's go to 162. 162 is written like this in Spanish. And it is pronounced ciento sesenta y dos. Ciento sesenta y dos. Ciento sesenta y dos. 163 is written like this in Spanish. And it is pronounced ciento sesenta y tres. Ciento sesenta y tres. Ciento sesenta y tres. Alright, let's go to 164. 164 is written like this in Spanish. And it is pronounced ciento sesenta y cuatro. Ciento sesenta y cuatro. Ciento sesenta y cuatro. Alright, let's go to 165. 165 is written like this. And it's pronounced ciento sesenta y cinco. Ciento sesenta y cinco. Ciento sesenta y cinco. Ciento sesenta y cinco. Alright, let's go to the next one. 166. It's written like this in Spanish. And it's pronounced ciento sesenta y seis. Ciento sesenta y seis. Ciento sesenta y seis. Ciento sesenta y seis. Alright, let's go to 167. It's written like this in Spanish. And it's pronounced ciento sesenta y siete. Ciento sesenta y siete. Ciento sesenta y siete. Ciento sesenta y siete. Let's go to the next one. 168. It's written like this in Spanish. And it's pronounced ciento sesenta y ocho. Ciento sesenta y ocho. Ciento sesenta y ocho. Ciento sesenta y ocho. The last one is 169. And it's written like this in Spanish. And it's pronounced ciento sesenta y nueve. Ciento sesenta y nueve. Ciento sesenta y nueve. Ciento sesenta y nueve. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this will end this video. Please remember to stop, rewind, and replay if you had trouble remembering how to write the word in Spanish for each number, as well as pronouncing it. Practice over and over again until you get a hang of it and you get an understanding of how to write it as well as how to pronounce it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.